Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the College Vidya app. First, download the app from your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open it and either create a new account using your email or log in if you've already registered. Make sure to fill out your initial profile details, like your academic interests and preferred study level, to personalize your experience right from the start. This takes about 2 minutes. Now, let's explore the core features. Use the intuitive search bar at the top to find specific courses or colleges. You can refine your search with filters for location, program type, and even tuition range, perhaps under $10,000. Each course listing provides comprehensive details from eligibility criteria to fee structures. You can easily add interesting programs to your watch list for later review or initiate an application with just a few taps, saving you valuable time. Your profile is your central hub. Tap on the profile icon to manage all your personal and academic details. It's crucial to keep this information updated for accurate applications. Here, you can also track the real-time status of every application you've submitted, seeing if it's pending, reviewed, or accepted. The app will also send you timely notifications, ensuring you never miss an important deadline or update from your chosen institutions. This keeps you informed every step of the way. To maximize your app experience, don't forget to explore the dedicated scholarship section, where you might find opportunities covering up to 50% of your tuition. If you encounter any issues or have questions, the in-app chat support is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, connecting you with a helpful representative. Additionally, the comprehensive FAQ section addresses many common queries, offering quick solutions and guidance to ensure a smooth and successful college application journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.